In today's video, I'll be making simple salad recipe using Chinese lettuce and other ingredients that you have at home that you can make up. Now, for the Chinese lettuce, you can choose any other lettuce at home that you have. Alright, so I'm using Chinese lettuce, cucumber, and some mangoes, and I'll also be adding some onions to these to give it that extra that I want. Okay, so this is it. This is a very simple salad. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and to give the video a thumbs up if you're a returning subscriber as well. Alright, so I'll be making the salad dressing now after mixing this up, so stay tuned. Now, to make the salad dressing, I'll be needing a couple of things that I have at home. Alright, this video is purposely to let you know that you can make simple healthy salad, something very quick and healing at home, for your glowing skin, for your inner, for your weight loss, or whatever you choose to eat the salad for. This is for one serving, this is for just one person. Alright, so what are the things I'll be adding in my salad creams, my salad mixing? So I use yogurt, then I use a little bit of mayonnaise and some minced spices. So what are my minced spices here? This is cayenne pepper mixed up, chopped, with some bay leaves, oregano, and all that. Then I'm adding in some lemon juice into this. All right, I'm going to just give this a stir up. All right, so if you don't have yogurt at home, you can use just mayonnaise. All right, for this. And if you have yogurt at home, you just use it. I'm adding mayonnaise to this because actually I'm making this salad for my children. If I'm eating this alone, for me alone, I won't add mayonnaise to it. I would just prefer just yogurt. For me, it's fine. So for you, you might just prefer just yogurt, especially if you're using it for weight loss or for weight maintenance or thereabouts. But for that sweet tooth, you can add mayonnaise to it. That's still fine. And even though for weight loss, you can still add mayonnaise to it. Just be careful of how much portion. For this, I use just 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise to this. Is it even up to 1 tablespoon? I'm not sure that I added to this. Alright, so this is very yummy and tasty. You need to really try this out. Now, if you're yet to subscribe, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and to click on the notification bell for more other videos like this. Something quick, simple, and healthy to help you on the go. Alright, thanks. My name is Marymatt.